Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today you're gonna start by heating some olive oil in a saucepan, then you add your meats and you leave them cook for a few minutes in there with some cinnamon. Then you add the blended onions. You mix it. And you put the lid on and leave it for a few minutes. Then you're gonna add some salt and some black pepper. You mix it again. And you're gonna add just a bit of boiling water like this. So when you need to add water in the main to make some sauce, I always like little by little. Then mix it again. And some more water. You can see it's not that much water. There is like, I don't know, maybe 2-3 centimeters. And in the meantime, you cut your potatoes, some parsley, so you leave your potatoes in water. Then lemon. So in a bowl you take your parsley, you add the half lemon, and you add the egg yolk. Then keep checking on your main every time, add a bit more water. And in a pan on the side, start heating some oil. Then you just mix your minced meat with some spices and you make like meatball. Then you add them in the saucepan, just like this. Try to don't break them when you mix like this. Just be careful. There we go. Then at the ends you're gonna add your chickpeas. So when your oil is hot, just start frying your potatoes. And keep checking in your main at the same time. And then once your potatoes are fried and your main is ready, just put the meat balls, some sauce, and then you add the sauce you made with the parsley, lemon, and egg yolk on top. Just like this. And yeah, don't add like all of it on top of the meatballs. Add the rest in the saucepan with the meat. Then add a bit of grated cheese on top. And then you're gonna put it in the oven. Well, it's on the grill, just to make the cheese crispy a bit. There we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, please don't hesitate to subscribe.